Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at itinan natin energies for you ngayong new moon in Gemini sa May 27, 2025. Ayan, so if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay. So for you Virgo, itong new moon is happening in your 10th house of your career. Yan. So maaring meron kang bagong trabaho or bagong source of income. This can also be your yung mga responsibilities. Maaring meron kang papasuking bagong responsibility. Responsibility sa trabaho mo. Pwedeng may leadership role sa'yo. Maari ring merong training, no? Kasi Mercury is also here. Training, mga activities na kung saan may matututunan ka para ma-improve mo yung career path mo. And yung iba naman, maaring may papasukan kang responsibility in terms of loans or other people's money. So maglo-loan ka ng pera for your business, for your career, for your work, or maglo-loan ka para sa isang kailangan mo bayaran, no, para sa family mo. You also have a positive aspect, no, sa Saturn and sa Neptune, which is yung pangarap mo, yung iyong mga goals, mga dreams, ayan. And energy to ng Aries, which is someone who takes action. So maaring talagang meron kang sisimulang bagong career path na kung saan ikaw mismo yung boss ng sarili mong business. Like you will start your own business. 8th house is also your intimate connections, no? So maaring you might obsess about a specific job, or minsan kasi pag meron tayong gustong ma-achieve na goal, especially sa career, sometimes inuubos na natin yung oras, panahon natin doon, and we tend to obsess on those things. So that's what I'm seeing for you. And yung iba, kung kayo ay nag-loan na matagal nyo nang hinihintay, or meron kayong matagal nang hinihintay na pera na darating sa inyo, kasi pwede rin tong mana, inheritance, no? Or let's say nag-file ka ng claims ng insurance, tapos hindi mo nabibigay sa'yo. Anytime soon, marireceive mo na yan. Okay? Meron din tong positive aspect sa Pluto, which is the planet of transformation, change, endings, new beginnings, a very powerful mindset. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring pagdating sa career, like sa trabaho ninyo, mas iigihan nyo pa, mas tatrabahuhin nyo pa, mas pagbubutihin nyo pa yung trabaho nyo. And yung iba naman, magpo-focus rin kayo sa inyong kalusugan, no? Maaring meron kayong aayusin na asikasuhin sa inyong health na talagang pagtutuunan nyo na ng pansin. Let's say for example, gusto mong maging healthy yung iyong pangangatawan. So, magko-control ka ng food mo, or meron kang gagamiting pamamaraan or diet plan para mas maging healthy living ka, or mas magiging active ka. Ayan, para sa yung goals. So, for the 10th house, yung iba sa inyo merong matatanggap na mana, inheritance from your family or mga kaninunuan ninyo. Yung iba naman merong bonus, no? May marireceive kayong bonus. Wow, good news to. Good news to Virgo pagdating sa career ninyo. Yung biglang na lang na aarangkada yung inyong career. Oo. So some of you pwedeng meron kayong mabibiling sasakyan kung trip nyo yung sasakyan, bumili ng car ngayon. Oh, okay. I see some good news here. Lalo na kung nagpaplano ka na magkaanak. So, Whether you are the father or the mother, so pwedeng may new baby or new member of the family. And the Empress is also about abundance. So meron kang idea na matagal mo nang gustong gawin. Pwedeng idea sa business, idea sa career mo, na ngayon mo pa lang ito maaasikaso. At kumbaga, okay lang naman kahit na-delay, no? But at least gagawan mo na siya ng paraan. Kasi this will bring you abundance, prosperity, opportunities. What is the energy ng Pluto? Uy. Merong offer, yung iba sa inyo kung naghahanap kayo ng bagong trabaho. I see an offer. Itong offer na to maganda ang bigayan. Kumbaga, mas maganda siya, mas mataas, mas maraming benefits kumpara sa dating work na pinagtatrabahuhan ninyo if you have plans of making some changes in your career path. I also see an offer pagdating sa business. So, pwedeng may business offer ang kaibigan mo, friend, ang iyong katrabaho, or ang iyong family member or anyone. So, kailangan lang dito, since business yan, kailangan pag-isipan mong maigi if you are ready, kung talagang kaya mong i-handle yung demands ng business na yan. But definitely, this is a very positive reading for you, Virgo. Ngayong new moon, you're going to be very active, busy, marami kang pagkakaabalahan ngayon, focusing on your career, your business, your intimate relationship. So, pwedeng may magkaka-baby or mas magiging malalim yung relationship mo with your romantic partner. And doon ka mas magkakaroon ng inspiration sa work. You have Venus in Aquarius in the 11th house. Meron kang iiwasang kaibigan or grupo na sa tingin mo hindi ka na nagre-resonate sa kanila. You feel like you don't belong. Oo, na iniisip mo na, sige, iiwasan ko na lang kasi you feel na hindi ito nakakatulong para sa'yo. Lalo na kung hindi sila magandang impluwensya sa'yo. So, maaring yan yung isa sa marirealize mo. You also have the moon in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Very optimistic ka. Maganda yung pananaw mo sa buhay ngayon. Mas gusto mo ngayon na mag-focus sa mga pangarap mo kung paano mo ma-achieve yan. Pagdating rin sa work, pipiliin mo rin yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, yung makakasalamuha mo sa trabaho. And I think meron kang realization na hindi lahat ng katrabaho dapat kinakaibigan. Oo. Balance spirituality and practicality. Yes. So, syempre, let's say you are manifesting something, pero kung wala ka namang ginagawang action, wala rin yun, diba? So, binabalance mo yung action mo and also your manifestation skills. O, diba? Speaking of balance, finding balance. More on balancing, Virgo. Lalo na kung very busy ka, i-balance mo yung time and energy mo sa mga priorities mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Thank you so much. See you again.